Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipops at home. Start by sterilizing molds, assembling a candy thermometer, and measuring 2 cups sugar, 2/3 cup corn syrup, and 1/2 cup water. Heat to 300 degrees F for hard crack, then remove and add flavor and color. Pour into molds, insert sticks, and cool completely before unmolding. Store in airtight containers and label flavors for easy. Gather basic ingredients and simple tools before you begin. You need granulated sugar, corn syrup, water, flavoring, and food coloring, plus a candy thermometer and silicone molds. Have parchment, lollipop sticks, and a heat-proof saucepan ready. Measure precisely and prepare a cooling area with a timer. Wear oven mitts and keep a bowl of cold water for spills. It saves time and prevents mistakes. Heat sugar, corn syrup, and water slowly while stirring until dissolved, then stop stirring and clip in the candy thermometer. Bring mixture to 300 degrees F for hard crack, watching closely to avoid burning. Remove from heat, stir in flavor and color, then pour carefully into molds on a stable surface. Insert sticks quickly and allow to cool fully. Clean utensils promptly to prevent hardened sugar buildup and keep children away during cooking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.